Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, February the 1st. Well, a large green bodied candle today, and as we expected, the market found support at the bottom of the cloud or the Kumo. The market failed to trade down below the low of the previous candle, and in bar chart terms we have an inside day, and it's also a hook reversal in bar chart terms, which is a reversal signal. We need confirmation of this signal with a higher high and a higher low, so we need to watch the high of today's candle for the potential for the reversal to the upside to happen. Very close to being a bullish engulfing candle. That's where the body of the current candle completely engulfs the previous candle, and that's not quite exact. The market has missed out by only probably a few points here, but certainly very close, and the implications for this market are quite the same, and bullish engulfing patterns tend to be fairly have a good probability of being correct. But once again, we need confirmation of this. Now, with the market opening at the low and closing at the high, we have the bulls in control. They're strongly committed. They've made very solid net bullish progress on the day, and they're keen. So quite a good reading of the short-term dynamics for a potential change of trend to the upside. Now, if the market does trade up to the upside, then we have potential resistance up around this 1100 to 1106 region, and that coincides with the top of the cloud up there as well. We also have potential resistance at 1109 and 1111, which where the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are at. We've also had a cross of the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen, which is a bearish cross. Now that has occurred up above the cloud, and that makes it a fairly weak signal. So because the market, the cross has occurred up above the cloud, it's a weak signal. If it occurred within the cloud, then it's a neutral signal. Below the cloud is a very bearish signal. So we need to be very careful of taking any signal like that. Interestingly, the Kijun-sen has turned flat, and quite often when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action, and that's exactly what's happening here. The market is now trying to establish equilibrium, and it's moved out of this trending phase that the market was in. So there is every possibility that the market will trade up to around the Kijun-sen, around the 1111. Obviously, we have strong resistance up above before the market trades up to there. So the high of the current candle becomes very important for this market, for the potential for it to trade up in the first time frame. But we do still need to watch the cloud here for a potential breakout to the downside, and then the swing low at the 1071, 1072 level.